from a grand scheme of things, there's absolutely no interest in cryptocurrency. It's your boy Crypto Million. I'm gonna tell you why that actually is a good thing for crypto investors. So this is a market rant. I'm going to talk about the entire market. So if you like videos like this, make sure that you like, subscribe, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Let's get straight into it. So you can see here, hopefully I'm not in the way, Google Trends. We're at Google Trends right now. Literally no interest in cryptocurrency. And many have asked the question, will the interest come back? And the reason I think that it will, family, is because when you see entities like BlackRock, entering crypto, talking about, everything will be tokenized, everything will be on the blockchain. Maybe that doesn't register to the average person. You feel me? But people who have businesses, or even people who are retired, successful people, middle class people who are retired, that have these entities that manage their money, these elites that manage their money, they're leaving it up to them. They're leaving it up to them. And BlackRock, believe it or not, manages trillions of dollars. And that's the reason why a lot of people feel like crypto will have one of the most amazing bull runs that we'll see. You know what I mean? Before we get that regulation, so we're still in the Wild Wild West. Shout out to my boy Nagato, and he made a key point of interest here about the interest. And as you can see right here, nobody cares about crypto, but that's exactly when you make moves, family. That's when you make moves. And I got a couple charts that's telling me that a nice move may be coming from Bitcoin and possibly altcoins. So stick to the video, stick to the end. All right. So taking a look at history, you can see September historically is not a good month in crypto, right? So we know that. All right. But at the end of the day, we're starting to understand that we may be entering a stage of accumulation as we look at the history here for the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Historically, we don't see a lot of action entering the halving cycle, but as soon as we cross the halving cycle, we start to see that action. Some people have been, predicting, other experts in the space, not me, have been predicting that this time may be different, that because we're in a macro environment, because we could potentially be facing a recession in 2024, because of all of this, that halving cycle might not be that catalyst that sends Bitcoin or crypto, for that matter, in a bull cycle. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that. I thought that was an interesting take, man, because we've never been in this type of macro environment. At least crypto, anyway. Crypto has never been in this type of macro environment. Speaking of the macro environment, hopefully we get a pause here. As you can see, 93% chance of a pause, which is a good thing for cryptocurrency. I actually want to show you guys the DXY, even though I know it is a holiday, so DXY don't really matter today, but we'll talk about it. You can see here 7% chance of a 0.25 federal rate hike. Taking a look at Bitcoin here, the bears weren't able to get Bitcoin under this support we have here at the middle of the Gaussian channel. So the bulls put up a fight. The bulls put up the fight. The bulls was able to defend that 24.6 level. And now, family, the stock RSI is starting to curl. That's what we wanted to see. Now, these are the weekly charts, so this could take about six to 10 days before we actually see the official curl here of the stock RSI, but it's looking like it wants to curl up. The bulls were able to defend 24.6, so that was actually a positive thing. What makes me think another move could possibly be on the way for Bitcoin is because the Bitcoin dominance here is severely oversold. But family, that blue line there again was able to cross that orange line, and we can start to see that bullish momentum here for the Bitcoin dominance heading to the upside. That's what you want to see. You want Bitcoin dominance to be north of 55% when you're DCAing into those altcoins. Okay, Bitcoin doesn't mean altcoins is going to initially run, but the higher the dominance is, maybe we see a little bit of drop off from altcoins and we're able to load up our bag, getting prepared as we go into the halving cycle. And I've been using a little strategy here with the DXY family. At the end of the day, buying cryptocurrency when the DXY is all the way up here. When the DXY is overbought, buying as much cryptocurrency when the DXY is on the rise. Because normally when the DXY is on the rise, crypto has been declining, okay? Declining. We can see here though, we do have three tops, which could spell trouble here for the DXY. The DXY is showing that the momentum is ready to trend to the downside, all right? So this is the time after you load up on cryptos as the DXY is rising. You can see here the DXY will be declining soon, and we should see some moves from cryptocurrency and also altcoins. So Bitcoin maybe can get back to that 27K, 2750, or even the 30K, because again, this is the weekly chart. So this move could be a pretty nice move, being the fact that the Bulls was able to defend 24.6, which was a key number for us. We did not want to see the DXY put in a higher high here. You know what I mean? So hopefully we can still get that lower low. I'm hoping the DXY can break 100 again, because we'll see some nice moves from altcoins, even the micro caps, and we might see some moves from meme coins as the DXY looks to trend down. So it's looking like the dump might be coming to an end in the next few weeks. Dump might be coming to the end, and Bitcoin might be ready for its next leg up. Tether dominance also overbought here, which is showing us again that Bitcoin is ready to make another move. So tether dominance got rejected here at the top of the Gaussian channel. Man, it's been green for a while here for the tether dominance. So we may see the tether dominance going down, which means Bitcoin could possibly go up, and we might just see a move from altcoins. I don't think we will see a lot from altcoins in the next couple of weeks, because a lot of those charts is, preferably geared toward Bitcoin. For the altcoins, because I know a lot of people watch the video for altcoins, you can see here we are trending down as far as momentum. We're coming to the end of this descending triangle pattern here, so it's coming to it's coming to a point where the altcoins here have to make a decision, family. So hopefully we see something like hopefully we see something like this. Maybe we get a move like that toward the upside. Actually, let me refresh this page so I can actually show you guys what I'm talking about. For some reason, it was not running here. Oh, there we go. Right here. So hopefully we could possibly get a move to the upside, right? So that's what you want to see from altcoins. You want to see the completion of this pattern here, and then a bounce to the upside. Again, on the weekly, could take a month. We're probably a month or 2 months out from that. To be honest, I think that we crash one more time to maybe around 20K for Bitcoin. One last crash before the halving cycle. Okay, I'm thinking about one last crash before the halving cycle. The last couple months, as you can see right here, have not been good for cryptocurrency. So we're just looking for that ultimate utility, when you can ask yourself, why do I need crypto? Why do I need to wake up and use crypto? I don't think we've got to that point of adoption where, we have that everyday use case utility. Until then, expect a volatile market. But you're seeing a lot of Bitcoin ATMs and machines being built everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Built everywhere. These are the leading 10 cities for Bitcoin adoption. I thought that this chart was very, very interesting, man. But the metrics show that crypto is growing. That Bitcoin, the adoption of crypto is starting to grow, where a lot of these cities, and even in some cases, these countries right here, are starting to ease their way into crypto adoption. So right now, while it's no interest, this is when you get it in, man. This is when you get it in. So many people sleep on it. They're going to buy the tops. Don't buy the tops. This is when you get it in. So I'll quickly go through this. Like, San Francisco is number one. So that just shows you, despite all the stuff that's going on in the States and all the negativity that the media portrays, right? San Francisco, right, is number one right now, leading for crypto Bitcoin adoption, okay? Vancouver, Amsterdam, I want to go to Amsterdam. I talked to my boy Crypto Archie about that. Miami, New York, London. You feel me? Nice places, nice places. Y'all let me know if you live any of those places in the comments and if you're seeing a massive move from crypto adoption. All right, that was my synopsis of what's going on inside the market, man. Bitcoin spot ETFs in another 40 days. We'll have to see. FOMC meeting on the way. A lot of stuff going on. Fed speakers about to speak. So very volatile. September is known to be a very, very bearish month. But hey, crypto and Bitcoin usually does the opposite of what the masses believe. So we'll just have to see. Tune in, engage with the video, leave a comment. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.